The name Holy Stone has become synonymous with quality at a reasonable price in the drone market. You've probably heard about at least one Holy Stone drone before you came here. Besides the Holy Stone's newest release, the HS510 that we're talking about today, the HS720 is another excellent example of what the brand can deliver. Still, one question I get all too often is, does Holy Stone make drones as good as everyone makes them out to be, or is it nothing but a passing hype? While there's no denying that Holy Stone offers some advanced, feature-rich drones at affordable prices, I try my best to avoid generalizations. If you're going to spend your hard-earned cash on a new quadcopter, it's understandable that you wish to know what you're getting for the money. Flight time. The Holy Stone HS510 comes fitted with a 7.6V LiPo 1500 mAh battery, which should be enough for a maximum flight time of 16 minutes on a single charge. The battery performance isn't exactly industry-leading, but it sure blows some of the competing beginner-friendly quadcopters out of the water. Plus, I'd say that the flight time is long enough for beginners to get the hang of piloting a drone. What's more, you don't get one but two rechargeable batteries, meaning two things. 1. The addition of the second battery ups the drone's flight time to 32 minutes total. And 2. You don't have to wait for the battery to recharge before you can continue your adventure. It takes around 150 minutes for the battery to recharge once it runs out of juice, which can be a pretty long wait when all you want is to keep on flying. Then again, spare batteries are available, and getting the third one is always an option. Range. The relatively compact remote controller, which relies on low-latency 2.4 GHz frequency, can maintain the drone's connection within a range of up to 600 to 800 meters. Switching to FPV real-time video transmission cuts the field down to 200 to 300 meters, though. As with any other drone, you should fly it in open, obstacle-free spaces to get the best possible range. The HS510 gets bonus points for the compact but stylish design of the remote controller. The LCD screen displays vital in-flight information, including the battery status and the drone's distance and altitude. Alternatively, you can hook up your smartphone, there's a dedicated phone holder on the remote's upper side, and use the Holy Stone's official app, Ophelia Go, to control the drone. The controller unit is powered by two AA batteries, which can be considered an advantage because you don't have to wait for it to recharge. On the flip side, disposable batteries aren't exactly eco-friendly. This isn't necessarily a downside, merely something to keep in mind. Camera. The HS510 is a camera-equipped quadcopter, featuring a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 120-degree wide field of view. It's capable of taking crystal-clear aerial photography, and can shoot 4K videos at 16 frames per second or 2.7K videos at 25 frames per second, depending on the storage you're using. The camera has single-axis gimbal stabilization, which isn't as effective as a 3-axis gimbal. So, the videos will likely come out a bit shakier than you'd prefer. You get to adjust the camera angle by up to 90 degrees, but only manually. Once the HS510 is in the air, there's not much you can do. Oh, and one more thing. HS510 small frame packs a host of features that will meet and exceed any beginner's expectations. Moreover, it has what it takes to take any drone enthusiast's experience to a whole new level, and at a reasonable enough price point, too. I'll wrap up my Holy Stone HS510 review with this. Regardless of the previous experience you may, or may not, have with drones, you'll be more than happy with the HS510's overall performance. That alone is enough to recommend it.